a new machine is pulling the plastic off, right? All right, check this out. Mother's Day vlog right here. First tractor use of the NS, cleaning gutters, chucking all the pine stuff into the bucket. Not too terrible. The AC feels really good because it's over 80 and humid. Bunch of ants in one of them piles. Right, can't say that I like all of the safety features. If you don't do what I just did, if you don't do that, it'll kill the engine as soon as you get up off the seat. So far behind on this farm here. This thing is pretty quiet. I don't know how close I am to full throttle, but you can hear how virtually no whining at all from this transmission. This is their new all hydraulic. So far I'm digging it. It's very responsive, and you know, the more you mash the pedal down, the faster you continue to go. Nice. All right, all the plastic is coming off. The seat, the radio, and this I just yanked off. I'm gonna put a couple chains in here hastily, a tripod, and we're gonna roll. This has to be one of the best parts of a new machine, is pulling the plastic off, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. All right, let's see if I can fix this rut here. I think that might have been the delivery truck for the Coyote. Obviously it was wetter than it was today. Let's see if I can backtrack this. Let's hit her again one more time. A little more down pressure this time. Oh, not half bad. Now I'm in float mode. I almost wiped it all out. I'll take it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take the Coyote out for the very first time on a real life mission, I guess, if you will. But first we got to load up the brush cutter for the Mini X, and then we'll load up. Not exactly how I wanted it, but I can push it up when I load the tractor up. This baby's a lot easier to load, a lot smaller. Oh no, now what? Oh, I got a little bit of dirt in there. This dang trailer, golly. I gotta do it all over again. They said it was like 47-ish. Alright, I'm going to run this brush cutter up to the excavator and get working. Okay, so this box blade right here is literally one of the very first implements I've ever bought. I've had this probably at least 15 years and it's quite old. It was a little bit bent. I remember picking it up still. I drove quite a ways and it was like 200 and some bucks back then at the time, but it is set up for quick attach. Like I said, I weld all my stuff for quick attach, so let's see if the new quick attach still fits, and then this baby's going to get recommissioned since the skid steer is gone. All right, check this out. I just had the top hook on. I drug it out of the woods there, and I don't even have these top ones tightened yet. I tried to make everything on the same hook. Let's see if it's going to go. Nice. Perfect. All right, I will miss the top link today, but we'll make it work. We will make it work.